welcome everyone. This is where we have a minute in the boardroom. This is the boardroom where I'm the director of a multi-million-pound business, and what I wanted to do is show you what we're doing in our business to get from here to here, but also how you can get from there to there in your career. So I'll be sharing just little points that I think that you can implement to make your life in career and in business better. Now, one of the things, the words I'm going to use today is you just got to show up. Some of you are just not showing up. And what I mean by that is just listen, we all have bad days, but you've got to show up. And a lot of you are only showing up when you feel good. If you're going to be successful, you're going to have to learn to manage your emotions and show up even when you don't feel like it. When everything around you is falling down, you've got to learn to show up. Now, obviously that's a little one for Instagram, but if you are following us on YouTube, let me give you some more detail into that. Now, I know in business, most of the times we can be firefighting. If you've got a business that's growing, you're dealing with people. And whenever you're dealing with people, there will always be problems. If you're dealing with people because they're your clients, guess what? There will always be problems. Now, I've got to learn to show up. The reason that I've been able to progress my career, whether that be as a director, in a business, or take our business to the next level, because I'm always showing up no matter what happens. I'm the one that their staff know they can turn to. I'm the one the business knows if there's a problem, it's gonna happen. I knew in my career I was always gonna be the one that shows up. When everyone else was calling in sick, when everyone else was having an excuse why they're not working hard, I was the guy showing up. And if you show up consistently, you will be the one that wins. You will be the one whose business grows from success to success. But you gotta learn to show up. Stop talking about it, show up, show them what you're about, show them that you're not going anywhere regardless of the season. If it's the summer, you'll be there. If it's the winter season and it's tough, you'll be there. So listen, I really hope this helps to get your career from here to here, or your business from here to here, because that's really what we want to do. If you obviously want to ask me any questions, whether that be about career advice, about business, or anything like that, hit me up and we will answer your questions on a minute in the boardroom. All right, God bless you. See you soon. Bye.